It really depends on like the height of the building. Do I need to rent a lift? Do I need to rent a boom lift? What do I need to rent for us to do the job? Sometimes, and I think these are the most expensive one, is after construction or painting, because there is a lot of debris. So we have to go, with the blade and take out the paint without scratching the window. So it's a little tedious. The process is a little tedious, and it does take a lot of time. So obviously that's gonna up your cost somewhat. Also, the frequency that you already have, if they've never been cleaned and they're like really, really dirty, obviously that's gonna affect the cost. But if you have like a consistency, twice a year, every quarter, depending on how do you like your building to be looked shiny, bright. Right now, I can't give you like a price because I don't know. It depends. Window cleaning has a lot of factors. That inside or out, every panel is different. It's bigger, some are small. So it really depends on what's the client's needs on that. We had in the past the problem where there was no water. I was like, okay, like how can I get this fixed? Well, we couldn't. Well, we call a client and let him know, like, hey, there's no water in the building. Like, we just can't. But he was not aware of that. So we just had to reschedule, no problem. We just rescheduled it and we did it, I believe, like 3 weeks after that. But the most and the worst windows are when there's paint on them. I don't like it. I am very afraid. I'm like, I'm gonna scratch it with the blade. But we have QC managers, Victor, we have Jose Luis, that are very good at it. Very good at it and very fast too. I would take like 30 minutes. They're really fast on it. I'm like, please do not put me on window cleaning. Every 3 months. Especially here in Kansas, that the stations are very, you can tell when it's winter, you can tell when it's fall. I think every 3 months would be good for the windows and for your building to look good as well. Because you can tell from the outside when there's the windows or just the building in general is not taken care of. And I don't think anyone would like that. But every 3 months, I think it's like good